Hello students, welcome to Sentinels online classes. Students, we are working from home. So in this video, we'll start from the question number 5, that's of exercise 11.3. So the question says, find the vector and Cartesian equation of the plane that passes through a point and normal to the plane is I cap plus j cap minus k cap. So we have a plane. The plane is passing from the point P, that is 1, 0, minus 2, and this plane, the normal to this plane is given by, that is why vector I cap plus j cap minus k cap. So first of all, we'll find the vector equation. So vector equation. Now remember the vector equation. What was the vector equation? A plane passing through a point and parallel to a vector. So perpendicular to a vector, that was r vector minus a vector dot n vector is equals to 0. Here a vector is the position vector of that point through which plane is passing. So basically a vector is the position vector of point P, 1, 0, minus 2. So now here a vector would be I cap plus 0 j cap, doesn't matter, and minus 2k cap. Okay students, and normal to the plane is already given, that is I cap plus j cap minus k cap. So we have to put this equation over here, put these values into this equation. So that would be r vector minus I cap minus 2 cap dot I cap plus j cap minus k cap equals to 0. This is the vector equation of the given plane. Now Cartesian equation. Cartesian equation was a x minus x1 plus b y minus y1 plus c z minus z1 equals to 0, where a, b and c were the direction ratios of normal to the plane, and x1, y1 and z1 are the points through which plane is passing. So here a, b and c are, so a is 1, b is 1, c is minus 1. So 1 x minus x1, x1 is 1 plus b is 1, y minus y1, y1 is 0 plus c is minus 1, and z, this is minus 2, so minus will be plus 2 equals to 0. So this is what x minus 1 plus y minus z minus 2 equals to 0. So x plus y minus z equals to 3 minus z equals to 3. So this is the required equation of plane. So please pause the video and note it down. Students, the second part of question number 5, 6, based on the formula that we have to find the equation of plane passing through these 3 points, just we need to simply put the formula. Question number 8 are very basic, so that these 3 questions is your homework, you have to do it by your own self, okay, by yourself. Now question number 9. Question number 9 says that find the equation of the plane through the intersection of the plane 3x minus y plus 2 minus 4 equals to 0, and another place this, and the point 2, 2, 1. So basically we have given a plane, suppose P1 and plane P2, then through the line of intersection, this line, through the line of intersection of these two planes, another plane P, suppose this plane is P, is passing, and this plane is also passing through the point 2, 2, 1. So we have to find the equation of this plane P. Okay, so now equation of plane P passing through the line of intersection of plane P1 and P2. Equation is, the equation of plane P would be 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda x plus y plus z minus 2 equals to 0. So from here we will equate the coefficient of x, y and z. So from here x, so here is 3 and here is plus lambda, here minus 1, there plus lambda, here 2 and there is lambda, and here this is minus 4, so there it would be plus 4 and plus 2 lambda. Equation number first. Okay, so this is the equation of plane which is passing through the line of intersection of these two planes and the point 2, 2, 1. Since plane P passes through passes through points 2 comma 2 comma 1, it will satisfy this equation. So it will satisfy its equation. Okay, so we will put 2, 2, 1 at the place of x, y and z, and we can get easily the value of lambda. So 2, 3 plus lambda plus 2 minus 1 plus lambda plus at the place of z we will put 1. So 2 plus lambda equals to 4 plus 2 lambda. So it would be 6 plus 2 lambda minus 2 plus 2 lambda plus 2 plus lambda equals to 4 plus 2 lambda. Okay, students, so it would be 6 minus 2 plus 4. Here minus 2 and that would be cancelled out. So 6 plus 2 lambda plus 2 lambda, 4 lambda plus lambda, 5 lambda equals to 4 plus 2 lambda. So it would be 3 lambda equals to minus 2 and lambda equals to minus 2 by 3. So we have got the value of lambda. Now we will put it into equation number first and we can get the required equation of plane. So it would be x 3 minus 2 by 3 plus y minus 1 minus 2 by 3 plus z 2 minus 2 by 3 equals to 4 plus 2 into minus 2 by 3. Okay, so now solve it. So it would be 9 7 by 3. Here it would be of minus. So minus 3 and minus 2 minus 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3 into y, and here 6 minus 2 4 by 3. So 4z by 3 equals to, that would be 3 to just 6 minus 2 4 by 3. So 4 minus 4 by 3. So that would be 8 by 3. 8 by 3. So 3 I can omit from all the cases because it's an LCM common to all sides. So equation would be 7x minus 5 by plus 4z equals to 8. So this is our required equation. Okay, students. So please pause the video and note it down. Students, now look at the question number 10. We have plane P1 and plane P2, and through the line of intersection of these, another plane P is passing, and through the point 2 and 3. So we have to find the equation of plane P. Okay, students. So now first of all, convert these vector equations into Cartesian equation. So that would be quite easy for us to handle. So the equation of plane 1 would be, Cartesian equation would be, that would be 2x plus 2y minus 3z minus 7 equals to 0. Equation of plane 2 would be 2x plus 5y plus 3z minus 9 equals to 0. Since plane P is passing through the line of intersection of plane P1 and P2, so the equation of plane P would be, that would be 2x plus 2y minus 3z minus 7 plus lambda 2x plus 5y plus 3z minus 9 equals to 0. So now again equate the coefficient of x, y and z. So here the coefficient of x are 2, here this is 2 lambda, here 2 and there 5 lambda, z minus 3 and here is, this is plus 3 lambda, and that would be minus 7 to that side plus 7 minus lambda to that side 9 lambda, equation number first. Okay, so now since this plane P passes through the point 2, 1, 3, it will satisfy equation number first. It will satisfy equation number first. Okay. So now put at the place of x we will put 2, at the place of y we will put 1, and at the place of z we will put 3. Okay, friends. So now put all these values. So it would be 2 plus 2 lambda plus 1, 2 plus 5 lambda plus 3 minus 3 plus 3 lambda equals to 7 plus 9 lambda. So now it is 4 plus 4 lambda, 2 plus 5 lambda minus 9 plus 9 lambda equals to 7 plus 9 lambda. So the 9 lambda and 9 lambda will be cancelled out. Okay. So now from here we have 4 plus 2 6, 5 and 4 9 lambda, and minus 9 equals to 7. So 9 lambda would be minus 9 plus 6 minus 3, that side that would be plus 3, 7 plus 3 10. So lambda would be 10 by 9. So now put in equation number first. So we will get our required equation of plane. So by putting equation number first, equation would be x 2 plus 2 lambda. So 2 plus 2 lambda means what? 20 upon 9. 20 upon 9 plus y 2 plus that will be 50 upon 9. 50 upon 9 plus z minus 3 plus 30 upon 9 and equals to 7 plus 90 upon 9. So that would be 10. Okay, so now put all values. So it would be x 18 plus 20, 38 by 9. Here it would be 18 plus 50, 68 by 9. And here that would be 27 plus 30, so that would be plus 3. So 3z by 9 equals to 17. So from here that would be 38x plus 68y plus 3z equals to 17 into 9. We can further solve it, but let it be like that. So this is the required equation of the plane. So please pause the video and note it down. Beta, we have to find the vector equation of the plane as well. So that would be, this is normal to the vector. So vector equation would be r vector dot 38 I cap plus 68 j cap plus 3 k cap equals to 79 is 153 answer. So this is the vector equation and this is the Cartesian equation. Okay, so here also when I convert vector to Cartesian, what I have done, I replace I, j and k by x, y, z. Now again I have done what? X, y, z replaced by I, j and k. So that is how we can find the vector equation from the Cartesian equation. So please pause the video and note it down.